OncoHost, an Israeli startup, is revolutionizing immunotherapy cancer treatment. A blood sample from a cancer patient who has just begun immunotherapy arrives. OncoHost scientists search for specific protein types, markers. If the proteins are evident, the therapy will work. If other protein signatures are present, this specific immunotherapy will not succeed. Selecting immunotherapy for a cancer patient involves trial and error. OncoHost's Prof blood test now gives the oncologist a firm indicator to decide which treatment will succeed.
As you know, in cancer, time can be the difference between life and death. Okay? And the timing of the decision making is critical. The sooner you take the decision, the sooner you can identify the right treatment for your patients, the better the odds are for that patient. And I think this is where the main benefit is.
Immunotherapy treatment can cost up to $100,000 per patient. Choosing the wrong course of treatment can actually expand and not shrink a tumor. The Prof test exposes the key proteins in the blood that indicate if the treatment is right for the patient. Nobel laureate biologist Aaaron Ciechanover is on the OncoHost Scientific Board of Advisors. He firmly believes in the Prof test.
They can really profile the patients into groups of patients that will respond to the treatment and those that will not respond. It looks rather promising. As we know, people are different from one another. Each of us reacts differently to different drugs. And the idea is to find a profile of proteins, another component that will predict with high certainty whether the treatment that you are giving a patient will be successful or not.
OncoHost scientists and mathematicians are creating a data storage of protein signatures, indicating which immunotherapy will work in a given person and which will not.
We have a presence in all of the clinical cancer centers in Israel, and we are working with very strong cancer centers in the US, soon opening also sites in the UK, hopefully other countries as well. So in that sense, we have a very broad access globally.
The protein data could prove vital in developing new cancer therapies.
We bombarded the patients with chemotherapy, with radiotherapy, with enormous side effects. Now we are narrowing it. We are going to be much more precise. We are going to provide treatment that has much less side effects. And we may discover new pathways that are involved in carcinogenesis, enabling us to develop new drugs.
OncoHost plans to have the Prof test kit in the market during the third quarter of 2021. The test could save thousands of lives and save millions of dollars in wasted treatment.